Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Lully Gavotte from Suzuki Viola Book number 2, tutorial and playthrough. From the playthrough, use the chapters to below and skip ahead. Tutorial. Warning, warning, warning. I'm going to tell you this is going to be a long one, but pay attention, because after years and years of teaching and hearing the same mistakes over and over, make these marks and you'll save yourself so much time later. Let's get started. The form. I call this a Texas toast sandwich song because we have 5 lines at the beginning and 5 lines at the end that are the same, like 2 big slices of toast and then our filling inside. Good to know because whatever you mark in the first half is going to be adopted into the second part. Bowings. Alright, so bowings are super important. Pay attention to double up bows. So let me show you what they look like. We have double up bows. They look like upside down smiley faces there. What I like to do is actually mark them with double V's because you never know. I like to see those V's. Do what you need to do. Those happen in measures 3, 5, 6, 17, 35, 39, 40, and 51. So just mark them in if you need them. Bow circles or retakes. We have them in measures 8, 21, 34, and 42. I like to do the circle with the arrow there. Okay, to physically show that movement there. Next we have breath marks. So the breath marks happen everywhere in this piece. So you'll see them like here. They look like floating apostrophes or commas in the air. The only thing that you really need to know about it is that some of them come after bow circles, some of them come after just down and up, whatever. The note that falls before the breath mark is going to be shorter than printed. Enough said. The note after is in tempo. There's no extra break. We take that breath from the previous note before the marking, okay? So just that's what you need to know. Pickups to measure 9 to 12. My favorite part. So beautiful, but tricky because we have string crossings, we play on the C string, and some tricky rhythms. So here's under tempo. Let's play it in tempo. Pretty snappy, so you got to really make sure you can get those fingers to move and the string crossings coordinated. We have measures 22, 23, and 26, 27. They're the same. This is what it sounds like. So we want to make sure that we get that. It's a lot happening with the shifts and yeah. Here we go. Let's do measure 22. So we have A1, 2, A3. So this can we get the pitch of the shift. So we have. So that 3 is what we want to match with 1 when we shift up. Okay, so close that elbow, and there you go. Let's do that. A1, 2, A1. Once we get that, we can do the next part of that, and so A1, 2, A1, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Just know that your third position fingering is going to be spaced 1 and 2, 2 and 3 close. Okay? Next, after that, we have to do the shift down. So let's do A1, 2, A1, 3, 2, 1, high 2, shift back. Here we go. Then after that, we can continue with low 1 and the rest of the measures. So let's put that all together. We're going to do A1, 2, A1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, A3. Okay, here we go. And. Alright, and then up to tempo would be something like. That's going to be adopted into measures 26 and 27. It's going to look different. It's in treble clef. They're trying to introduce treble clef to you. Just know that the notes are exactly the same and the same fingering, okay? It's going to look different, but it's just a mind trick that they're trying to play with us. Okay, next, we have another third position section coming up in measures 31 and 32. So we're going to have the A, and then we're going to want to match third position 2 on the D string. So let's practice that shift. Good. Once we're in third position there, we're going to have 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and that's going to be close. Okay, touching. So it's going to be this. Next thing is going to be 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going to do A, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. So. Then the next thing that we have to that is to shift down to low 2 on the Z string to regular 3. Then the final step is that we have to do A, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, shift back, low 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. So let's play that. Practice that slowly, speed it up to get it up to tempo, you'll be okay. So isolate that. Well, with that said, the last thing is trills. Alright, so trills. Trills are very exciting because this is the first time we have it in Suzuki. So we have the fancy TR there, boop, 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 boop. And what that means is we have the bass note D1, and then we're going to tap the next note above in the key signature, which would be low 2 or F natural. Alright, so it's going to sound like this. So you just kind of tap it as fast as you can go. Now, they do have it written out in a registered way here. Da 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 da. It's up to you. You can play more or less notes than that. It's really just as fast as you can personally go. You could do as printed, or you could do whatever you can handle. Faster the better. Okay, it's up to you. So that's kind of fun. Next, the playthrough. So are you ready for this? So the playthrough, we have allegretto. Grazioso is our expression marking, which means graceful. So let's do it. So 1 and 2 and dum bum bum. 1 and 2 and 1. Okay, how'd you do? Let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next piece. Bye!